Yeah guys, I spot my collecting green basket here. Okay, today we will find some toys around this house. Oh wait, I got already one guys. This is Mercedes-Benz G550 with purple color. Can you see? This look like very real car. Okay, collect to basket. Let's find another toys around here. Oh wait, I spot another one. Batman car. Oh la la. It look like real Batman car guys with black color. And this is the original one from Hotwheels. Can you see this? The Hotwheels logo? Yeah, correctly. Okay. Batman car. Collecting. Let's do more. Wow. I spot red color. This is Lightning Mcqueen truck. Oh yeah. Okay. Lightning Mcqueen. Just his head only. Nobody. Okay. Collect. Let's go. Find another toys around this area. Oh wait. I spot already another. Yeah, Spiderman. Hanging on this tree. Oh la la. Pick up the Spiderman. Yeah, Spiderman. You should be to the basket. Okay, collect. Let's go another to find more. Wow, long container with green head and white body. Yeah, green container. Okay, collect the basket. Let's go guys. Looking for another toys around here. I think so many. Yeah, correctly. I spot another. Yeah, this is Volkswagen guys with Ramirez. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah, Ramirez with 51 number, yellow color. Collecting. We got, this is Volkswagen guys from Hotwheels car. Very good vehicle. Okay, collect. We got another one. Wow, Lightning McQueen 95 red color. Okay, collect it. And we have Datsun guys. This is real. Look like Datsun car. Okay, you can see this. Have a space behind his body and have the logo of Datsun. Correctly, original one from Hot Wheels. Full la la. Okay, we have collect so many toys. I think where is another toys around this area? Okay, I think yeah, this one guys. I got more Hot Wheels car with red colors, sport Hot Wheels. Okay, collecting. And then we got, wow, Land Rover. Oh la la, Baja Blazer. Yeah, you can see this Land Rover look like real. The very strong vehicle. Oh yeah, Land Rover guys. Okay, collect. Let's go find another toys around here. Wow, this flower. Wait. I spot another more. Yeah. Three of car hiding here. Yeah, this is Jackson, guys. With black color Jackson. Okay. Collect again. And then we got Bobby. Number 19 with blue color Bobby. Okay. Collect. And we got, this is Hot Wheels car from look like Batman. Okay. Collect all. Yeah guys, I spot already so many toys today. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye bye.